Roman letter C already you have seen. 200 CC, 300 3 times CC, 400 CD, 500 D, 600 DC, 700 DCC, 800 D triple C times DCCC, 900 CM, 1000 M, 5000 V bar, caps V bar, 10,000 X bar, 50,000 L bar, and then 100,000 C bar, 500,000, that is 5 lakh. D bar, here also 1 lakh or 100,000 C bar. 5 lakh or 500,000 C bar. And then 10 lakh M bar. Mathematical symbol table. Alpha, Greek name, small, capital. Alpha we have seen. Theta, gamma, delta, epsilon, E, writing E, theta, 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 is small letter or capital, lowercase, uppercase. Iota, kappa, lambda, mu, v, inclined to right side, psi, micron, pi, this is also p, down, right side, direction down, pi, rho, this is also rho, sigma, this is also sigma, tau, lowercase, epsilon, pi, this is also pi, this is also pi, psi, omega, cos omega, W, like this boldface, sans serif, blackboard, script, Cortic, alpha optical. Here is the set. Here logic for all x, this one for all x, this is, that is V. What in this logic here V then transfer x, that is for all x. Here V mirror image, V x, there exists an x such that, x such that. Here x symmetrical. So there exists a unique x such that. Here B transit, that is V mirror image then class x. There does not exist any x. It means any x it will not, doesn't happen, doesn't exist. Here exists unique x, it is matter. There exists an x such that, this is a matter. Here doesn't exist, does not exist any x. This one, if A then B or A implies B. A implies B. A implies B. Here, if P then A or if B then A. If A then B or A implies B. Here, if B then A or B implies A. Here, A if and only if B or A is equivalent to B. Equivalent to B. Here, TFAE, the following are equivalent. The following are equivalent. Here QUQED, end of proof. Here contradiction. Here X double X crossing or down arrow mark, then X left side top. Logic. This one function. Function here f colon x y. So f is function. F is function from x to y. F is function from x to y. Okay, from x to y. So f is function from x to y. F is function from x to y. Mapping element x to the element y. F is a function. F is function x to y. Mapping element x to element y. Mapping element x to element y. Once again, it's very important. F colon x, these symbols opposite mirror image of the epsilon is there. Then x arrow mark, forward arrow mark, then y epsilon y like this. So how we have to read this one? F is f for function. Here also function. Here also x, f is a function from x to y. F is a function x to y. Here f is a function from x to y. X to y. F is function. F is function. F to y. X to y. X to y. X to y. Mapping element x to element y. X to element y. F is function. Okay. F is function from f is a function from x to y. Okay. X to y. Mapping element x to element y. That's all. Okay. Then next one. Here f colon x, this here here straight, here bend is there, arrow mark. So here x is a subset of y, and f is the identity map, taking x the element of capital X to x the element of capital Y. F, that is x is subset of y. X is subset of y, and f is the identity map. F is the identity map taking x is the element of small x is element of capital X to small x the element of capital Y. F function x, here arrow mark is different, y in this bottom same like end arrow mark direction like this. So here we have to study like this. F is an injective function. F is an injective function from x to y. From x to y. Injective. here arrow mark is there, here arrow mark is there. It means injective. So F, this F is an injective function from X to Y. So the arrow mark is very important. Then next one, F colon X. Here this arrow mark last one send forward here. Okay, this one already here. Okay, then that's why F is surjective function from X to Y. F is surjective function from X to Y. Okay. So this arrow mark is, if here start end, then injection from X to Y. If that arrow mark is double arrow mark is in forward side only, that means surjective. So F is a surjective. F is a surjective function from X to Y. Okay, ID, the identity map. ID of X for all X. Identity map. ID means identity map. ID of X equal to, for example, ID of X equal to X for all X. Okay, then this one, like pi down also horizontal line is there touching that line, vertical line. It means the constant unity. It means for the constant unity. So constant unity of X equal to 1 for all X. Whenever if the symbol is coming, then constant unity anywhere 1 for all X, for all X. Here X for all X, ID of X. Same like this. Here 1, not X. Here ID equal to X equal to X. Here we like this symbol coming, so 1 for all X. Okay, F square minus 1 set of Y. It means the set of X, the element of capital X, F of X equal to Y. The fiber over Y or preimage of Y, where F function, this one, F is a function from X to Y. It means F inverse of set of Y. It means X small x is the element of capital X. It means the small x is available in capital X. F of X equal to Y. Function of X equal to Y. What function going on? That all output. Maybe this one input, F of X. So Y is the output. The fiber over Y. The fiber over Y or preimage of Y, where function is a F is a function from X to Y. That's all. Okay, set theory. Set theory, A is a subset of B, that is, if A small a available in E cap A, that is, that's why A is the element of small a is the element of capital A. Then A is the element of B also. B that A available in B and A. Small a available in caps A and caps B. So here this is disjoint. So the disjoint union A, disjoint union B. Actually U-shape union is coming, that one joint. Here disjoint with the assertion that A intersection B, that is pi. Here pi now 0. A disjoint union B. The disjoint union A disjoint